Hello everyone, welcome to TELEMATHEMATICS, the channel where learning is easier than saying first, second, and third. Today we are going to discover ordinal numbers, the ones that tell us where something is. And get ready, because we have visual examples, mini challenges, real-life situations, and a final challenge to see how quickly you can identify positions. So let's get started. When we count objects, we use cardinal numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But when we want to know the position of something, we use ordinal numbers. For example, if these balls are lined up in a row, the yellow ball is first, the red ball is second, the blue ball is third, and the green ball is fourth. Ordinals are written. And these numbers are read first, second, third, fourth, and so on. You use these numbers more than you think. For example, in positions in a race, in the floors of a building, in the chapters of a book, in the days of a month, in places on a list, among others. What are some of the most important and commonly used ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. After the 10th, they follow very simple patterns such as 11, 12, and so on. Then they continue 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100. Let's look at some examples. Observe the following animal race, where the lion is in first place, the giraffe is in second place, the horse is in third place, the bear is in fourth place, the monkey is in fifth place, the elephant is in sixth place, the deer is in seventh place. And where is the turtle? Very good, in eighth place. Example 2. In this race, whoever crosses the finish line first gets the gold medal. Whoever crosses second gets the silver medal. And whoever crosses third gets the bronze medal. Let's see if you've mastered ordinal numbers. Challenge 1. We have the following list of fruits, which from left to right are grapes, mango, coconut, orange, apple, and pineapple. Which fruit is in third place? 3 seconds. Very good. The coconut. Next, which of these is in fifth place? Quick. Correct. The apple. Challenge 2. In this race, What position is the girl in the red shirt in? Hurry up! Exactly, in 7th place. Now, the final challenge telemathematics level. Below, we show you 6 positions. And you only have 3 seconds to say the ordinal number corresponding to each one. Decide quickly. Correct. 7th, 21st, 9th, 3rd, 12th, and 15th. Very good. Now you know and understand how to use ordinal numbers like an expert. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe by activating the bell, and leave us a comment telling us which challenge was the most difficult for you. Remember, at Telemathematics, learning is an opportunity to enter the wonderful world of knowledge. See you in the next video.